Good morning children. In previous class we have completed our 4.1 and 4.2. Yes. Today we are going to start our 4.3. Okay. Now everyone open your textbook and keep your class works in front of you and start writing and also listen carefully. Here we have learned measure of angles, that basic geometrical ideas. Yes. Basic geometrical ideas. And from that, how the triangle is formed, how the equilateral, how the isosceles triangle, and how we can, when it is joined, the points are given, how it is joined, everything we have learned. And about open curve and closed figure also we have learned. And due to the straight lines, how the closed figures are formed, and also due to the straight lines and the curved lines, how the figures are formed also we have completed in 4.2. Yes, now we are going to learn 4.3. That is open page number 53 everyone. Now from this, name the angles, vertex and arms of the angles from the figure. Here they have given the angles. They have given the figure. From that we have to find the angles, vertex and also arms from the figure. And we have to show them. Okay. Exercise 4.3. Okay, angles. This is point P, this is point C, this is point D, this is point A. Yes. Now from this, how many angles? How many angles? And how many vertex? And also how many arms are seen? We have to write a figure. Yes, sir. First, second, third, and also fourth. This is fifth. From this, how many angles are forming? How many vertex are forming? How many arms are going to be seen? Now, angle AO. This is point O. No. This is point O. From this figure, we have to show angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the vertex 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And arms also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And here the point P is common to all the figures. The point P is common to all the figure of the angles. Yes. Now from this, angle AOD is 190. Angle ODC is 190. Yes. Angle OCD is 190. Angle AOD is 190. Yes. Now we have to show. Now angle AOD is 190. Angle AOB is 190. Angle BOC is 190. Angle COD is 190. Angle DOA is 190. Angle DO is 190. Yes. Now the vertex is same to all. Yes. Vertex O is same to all. Yes. Now arms we have to find. Arms. Arms. What is arms? These are the OD is one arm, OA is one arm. This is angle AOD. No, this is angle. From this angle AOD, we are getting OA and OD is one arm. OD and OB. OA and OB, OB and OC, OC and OD, and OD and OA. These are the angles and for the arms. Okay. For this angle OAD. OA and OD is one arm. Yes? Yes? For angle AOB, AO and OB is one arm. OB and OC is one arm. OD and OC is one arm. OA and OD is one arm. Yes? These are the arms and vertex and angles formed by the given figure. Okay? Understood? Copy everyone. Everyone copy clearly? Yes? Now, name the angles from the figure. And here also in the second problem they have given a figure. From that we have to identify the angles now. The second one they have given. This is the figure they have given. This is the figure they have given. Angles they have formed here. What are the points they have given? A, B, C, D. Yes, A, B, C, D are the angles formed for the given figure. So from this we have to see the angles. Okay, B, C, D. Yes, D, A, B, C, like this. Yes. Now from these angles we have the angles formed by this figure is we have to show the angles from the figure. What? D, A, B, C and B, C, D. Yes, and D, A, B, C and B, C, A and C, A. Yes, 4 angles are formed. What are they? See, we have to show the angle symbol like this. D, A, B. One angle. Yes, A, B, C. One angle. B, C, D. One angle. And C, D, A is angle. How many angles are forming from the figure? Given figure? 4 angles. Yes, understood how to choose? Yes. Now from the mark the points in the figure which satisfies all the 3 conditions. Yes, from this we have to prove that how many points are forming. Here they have shown the interior and also exterior and also beyond DOE. We have to mark it. From the given figure we have to show the figures. We have to show the figures. Yes, sir. From third sum, here they have given one of the figure. They have given one of the figure. From this, we have to show, we have to prove that the given condition on a diagram. Yes. This is point F, this is point E, this is point D. This is a vertex O. This is a vertex O. Now, first point, what is given? AB in the interior of the DOF. The angle DOF. Angle DOF. From this, we have to show interior figures, interior points. What are the interior points they have given? AB. Interior points AB we have to show in this figure. What interior? B and also point A. This is point B, point A, which are lying in the inside the diagram. And now they AC is in the exterior on EOF. Exterior angles we have to show. Exterior points. What are the exterior points they have given? Exterior points are E. Exterior points are A and C. Exterior points are A and C on EOF. Angle EOF. From this exterior. These are the exterior angles we have to show. Exterior angle. That is point AC. Yes, AC or exterior. This is the angle. This is the angle. From this we are going. This is the interior part of EOF. So from this we are showing the exterior angle. Points AC outside of the angle. Okay. Now B on DOE. Now the point B on D angle DOE. O, E. The point B. This point B should be shown on D. Okay? Understood everyone? How to do? Now. Mark the angles formed in the figure. Mark the angles formed in the figure. Now here, they have given some of the figures. They have given some of the figures. From that, we have to mark on the figure. Okay, na? Yes. They have given two parallel lines to raise the one angle and also one of the star. This is the figure we have to mark. Yes? Like this. Yes? And we have to represent in the points. This is a vertex, this is a point A, this is point B. This parallel lines can be shown on star. How? See? Yes, this is one of the lines. Yes, and this is a star and the parallel lines. Yes, it is showing. Now we have to angles formed by the now. In this two, the angles are not formed because they are in parallel lines. From this two, the angles are formed. So, which of the angles are formed, we are going to give a points. Okay? This is points. Yes? Yes. Yes? Now, for this, I am going to A, B, C, D. This is D. This is F, this is G, this is H, this is I, this is J. Yes? This is points. This is angles formed here. Yes? These are the angles formed here. Yes? This is angle from point A, point B and the vertex. Yes, understood? With this we completed our 4.3. Now, exercise 4.4. Mark any 4 points, that is we are going to learn today now in 4.4 the quadrilateral lemma, which we have completed in exercise 4, that is 4.3. We have learned triangles. Yes? Yes, sir. In 4.4, open a mark any 4 points A, B, C, D, join them to make a quadrilateral. Name it. Yes. Now, this is a 4.1. This is a quadrilateral. We are going to mark a points. We are going to mark a points. Name the quadrilateral formed by the joining any force A, B, C, D marked in quadrilateral A, B, C, D. The sides are. It is a quadrilateral. All 4 sides are different. Yes. Now sides. What are the sides? BC, DA, AB, and BC are the sides. Yes. And vertices, what are the vertices they have given here? A, B, C, D are the vertices. Yes. Now, PQRS is a quadrilateral. Answer the following. The opposite side of QR, which is opposite, and the angle opposite to angle P, the adjacent side of PQ are the adjacent angles of SR. Adjacent of angle PQ is SR. Yes, we have to show. They have given figure, Nana. This. They have given figure. QRPS. From this, first one, the opposite side. Pierce. Yes, pierce. The angle opposite to P is angular. Angle opposite to is angle P is angular. Angle R. The adjacent side of PQ is PS. The adjacent side of PQ is PS. The adjacent side of PQ is PS. Adjacent side of PQ is PS. PQ is PS. Then adjacent angle of S are adjacent angle of PS and SR. No? PS and QR. Then adjacent angle of angle S. Adjacent side. Adjacent angle of angle S is this is the angle S, which is the adjacent side, angle R and angle Q, angle P and angle R, angle P and angle R. Yes, these are the opposite side of QR. Opposite of QR is PS now. Angle opposite to angle P is angle R. Then adjacent side of PQ is PS and PR. These are the adjacent sides of PQ. Now adjacent angle of angle S is angle P and angle R. Then what is adjacent angle of Q? Angle R and angle P. What is adjacent angle of P? Angle Q and angle S. Okay? Understood everyone how to write? Now if they ask adjacent side also, you can write adjacent side of PQ. If they ask, we wrote PS and PQ. If they ask adjacent side of S, that is SP and SR. If they ask adjacent side of R, that is RQ and RS. Understood how to write the adjacent angles, adjacent opposite angles and opposite QR? Yes. If they ask the angle opposite to angle P is angle S and angle R. If the angle opposite to angle S, which is opposite to angle P, S, angle Q. Angle P, angle R. Angle R, angle P. Angle Q, angle S. Angle S, angle R. Yes? Understood? Like this we have to show the if they answer opposite sides. Name the points marked in the figure. Now they have given one of the figure. From that we have to choose the marker. They have marked the sum of the figure in a quadrilateral. Now how we have done in the triangle, in the same way here also we have to show what are the points called. Okay. Here they have shown like this. They have given like this, and S, point R, point P and point Q, point A, this is point E, this is point B, this is point C, this is point T, this is D. Yes, from this the points in the interior quadrilateral. Interior, first one, what are the given? Interior points. What are the interior points in the figure? These are the interior. Point S and point R are interior points. Okay. Now the points on the boundary of the quadrilateral. Boundary of the quadrilateral means which are lying on the line. That is called boundary. So what? Boundary of the points. Boundary points. What are the boundary points? This A, B, C, D, A, point B, point C, point D, and also this point T, which lying on the line. Okay. Now the points in the exterior. Exterior means which lying outside the figure. Which is lying? Point B, point E, and also point Q. Yes, exterior points equal to point P, point E, and point Q. These are lying outside the, which are nothing but exterior, interior and boundary points. Yes, have we done same in the triangle, and it is showing in the same line in quadrilateral. Okay, understood? Now, last exercise nana everyone open, that is 4.5. Here draw a circle. Yes, draw a circle and name its center, a radius and a diameter and arc we have to show on a circle. Okay. Nana, in 4.5 we are going to learn about circles. About circles. Here they said to draw a circle. Circle. From that we have to show the center and also radius. Yes. And also diameter. Yes. And also arc we have to show. Arc we have to show. Now here this is a circle. This is a, everyone draw. It is a circle. Now we have to show the center O. Center O. Yes. And for this radius we have to show. This is a center now. Yes. This is a center O. It is pointing as a O. Now we have to show the radius. That is OA. Yes. That is OA. And I'm pointing this is B, C. Yes. A, B, C. This is center. Giving the points. From this diameter. Diameter. This is called. Now this is the center for this. Now it is called exactly which is cutting half. Which is cutting half. So it is called diameter. Now O is center now. And OA is radius. OA is radius. Now BC. BC is diameter. BC is diameter. Yes. Now here they are saying to show the arc. So just given X. BXC. BXC has a arc. Understood everyone? How to represent on a circle the center, radius and the diameter and the arc? Yes. This is a center. They said to draw a circle. We have drawn a circle. They said to show a center. So we are exactly cutting the circle into arc, which we are cutting. That is called diameter, and the point O, which is the center, it is representing. And here OA, which is called radius, and also it is shown to be X. We can represent X anywhere. So BXC. It is a arc. Okay. Now, shade the region in the circle. Sector with red, a minor segment with yellow. See, sector with red, we have to draw a circle. They have to make circle. From that, that is radius and sector are the same. Sector which is cutting, further we have to draw. We have to draw with the red color. And the minor means upper segment. Minor segment with these are minor segment. We have to draw with yellow. Okay. This is a circle they have drawn. This is a center. Point O, point B, point C. This is a yes. Now here this is called AOB. BOB is called sector. Yes, for this we have to draw with red color. Draw with red color. Red color. Now this upper part and downer part are minor. For this we have to shade with yellow. Yes? Yellow color. Understood how how to draw the yes. Now here true or false it is given. We can locate only one center in a circle. We can, yes, for any circle we are going to locate only one circle. That is true. Diameter is twice the radius. Yes, diameter it is twice the radius. That is also true. An arc is a part of a circle. An arc is a part of a circle. Yes, an arc. This is a arc, no? It is a part of the circle only, no? Yes. It is also true. All chords are equal in length. But here, all chords are equal to the same length? No, because when we can't take that. All radii are not equal in length. All radius are equal. No, if you draw a circle, all radius are equal. No, with the same length. So, but here they are not equal. Listen, it is false. So, take a circle sheet of paper, fold it into two halves, press the fold and open it. Do you find the crease of a diameter? Repeat the same activity by changing the fold. How many diameters do you observe? How many more diameters can be found? See, you take a circular sheet. If you take a circular sheet, one circular sheet, you fold it up. So you will be finding when you take a paper. If you do a circular sheet, so when you fold it, how many times you fold it? Found. You can represent a diameters also can be represented in that. Okay, that will be easily understood to you. Yes, understood. Now we have completed the 4th chapter and also 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5 exercise from that. Everyone be clear and everyone complete the class work. Okay, thank you.